Carissa from Off Leash K9 Training Columbus. Today, I'm picking up Dan for his 1-week board and train. Dan is a 6-month-old Boston Terrier. He's here for our 1-week board and train program to learn some basic commands and improve his manners, along with building up his impulse control and giving him a consistent schedule to help with his potty training. Let's check out Dan's progress in just 1 week.